Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, since we are dealing with the chapter of history known as print culture and the modern world, yesterday we learned about the wood block print and the Gutenberg press. Today our topic is Martin Luther and print culture. Martin Luther, one of the great scholar and philosopher, he was in favor of print and spoke out in praise of it because he was deeply grateful to print. He considered the print as the ultimate gift of God. He thought that it was through print that the people could be persuaded to think differently and move to action. According to him, before print, the people were unaware of the various books, various concepts, and various these things. But when the press came into existence, people came close to one another. They knew various these ideas and ideologies of the people through this print system. In 1517, Martin Luther wrote the 95 Theses, criticizing the practices and rituals of Roman Catholic Church. These writings were immediately reproduced in vast number. Since one cannot express his ideas in general public without the print, same did Martin Luther. He printed his thesis regarding the Roman Catholic Church, which was greatly praised, and 95 copies of these theses were produced, and vast number of people took advantage of his ideas. This thesis led to the division within church and to the beginning of Protestant Reformation. This is another this topic, the Roman Catholic Church and Protestant reformers, who had their unique ideologies regarding the this Catholic Church and regarding the Christianity. His translation of the New Testament was also accepted and read by thousands of people. This was only possible due to the improvement in print technology. As I told you, my dear students, without print, one can't express his ideas, one can't publish his ideas, and it became possible only due to the print technology and print culture. Martin Luther and others took advantage of their this technology and produced their ideas in a published manner, and thus Martin Luther not only praised the print but also wrote various books and his ideologies, and published magazines and other these testimonials for the print, and in this way print culture got more boost and people happily took part in print technology and people read the printed books, and the ideas which were printed out. The this print culture also got the media, electronic media, the print media into existence. Various booklets, newspapers on daily basis, and the fortnightly and similarly magazines came into existence. It is due to the print that we see the hub of knowledge of printed books nowadays. Dear students, this was our today's topic. Let's go ahead inshallah tomorrow. Thank you very much.